or broccoli.
That's delicious!
Good job! Singing or dancing.
Perfect!
Fish or turtle.
Yay!
Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? Today I'm feeling really happy and Gigi as well because we're going to play this game called What Do You Choose? Let's start!
Okie dokie.
Pizza or pasta? Pizza or pasta?
That's delicious!
Good choice! Apple or orange?
Oh, wow!
Apple or orange?
Yummy! Yummy!
Good choice! I like that too. Blue or yellow? Blue or yellow?
Oh, I love it!
Good choice! Dog or cat? Dog or cat?
Oh, wow!
Good choice! Building bricks or modeling clay?
It's beautiful!
Building bricks or modeling clay?
Oh, I love it!
Good choice! Carrots or broccoli?
Yummy!
Carrots or broccoli?
That's delicious!
Good job! Dancing
Wow.
or swimming? Dancing or swimming?
It's beautiful!
Good choice! Football or tennis?
Oh, yeah!
Football or tennis? Good job! Balloons or confetti?
Surprise!
Balloons or confetti?
Oh, yeah!
Good job! Circles or squares? Circles or squares?
It's beautiful!
Good choice! Pink or green? Pink or green? Soup or sandwiches?
Yummy!
Soup or sandwiches?
That's delicious!
Good choice! Mango or kiwi? Mango or kiwi?
Perfect!
Good choice! Puzzle or reading a book?
Oh, boy!
Puzzle or reading a book?
Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy!
Milk or tea? Milk or tea? Good job! Riding a bike or roller skating?
Oh, I love it!
Riding a bike or roller skating?
Oh, I love it!
Good choice! Pink or yellow?
Wow!
Pink or yellow? Good job! Ice cream
Oh,
or
yeah.
cookie?
That's delicious!
Ice cream or
yummy.
cookie?
Yummy!
Good choice! Tiger or monkey? Tiger or monkey?
Oh, wow!
Good choice! Tidy up or doing homework? Tidy up or doing homework? Interesting choice. Safari trip
Okie dokie.
or going at a museum?
Oh, wow!
Safari trip or going at a museum? Singing or dancing?
Perfect!
Singing or dancing? Good choice. Spaghetti or
yummy.
fries?
Oh, yeah!
Spaghetti or fries?
Bingo!
Good choice. Purple or blue? Purple or blue? Good choice. Jumping or dancing?
It's beautiful.
Jumping or dancing? Good choice. Painting with a brush or finger painting?
Let's do it. Hooray!
Painting with a brush or finger painting? Good choice. Chocolate or biscuit?
Yummy.
That's delicious.
Chocolate or biscuit? That's a good choice. Apple juice or orange juice?
That's delicious.
Apple juice or orange juice? Good choice. Happy or sad? Happy or sad? Good choice. Fish or turtle?
Wow!
Fish or turtle? Interesting choice.